What's new in Business Central 2025 Wave 2? The 2025 Wave 2 release kicks off with Update 27.0, bringing a fresh set of upgrades designed to make Business Central smarter, faster, and easier to use. This wave introduces pre-built agents for sales and payables, giving teams AI-driven assistance right out of the box. From managing quotes to processing invoices, these agents reduce manual effort and boost accuracy. You'll notice faster search and smoother navigation, helping users get to the right data and pages instantly. Productivity gets a clear upgrade. Integration is tighter than ever, with improved connections to Microsoft Teams and the Power Platform, making collaboration and automation more seamless across your workflows. Finance teams benefit from better accounts payable, asset management, and compliance capabilities, simplifying day-to-day operations and reducing risk. New analysis helpers and Copilot-powered assists give you deeper insights and guided decision-making, making Business Central feel more intuitive and proactive. Developers and partners also get improvements, smoother extensions, better performance, and enhanced lifecycle management, making it easier to build, update, and maintain solutions. Business Central 2025 Wave 2 goes general availability on October 1st, followed by a staged rollout globally. Want the full feature list? Contact NGenious Solutions now.